students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some extra questions from real numbers. Okay, are you ready? Let us start. 3 sets of English, Hindi and mathematics books have to be stacked in such a way that all the books are stored topic wise and the height of each stack is same. The number of English book is 96. The number of Hindi book is 240 and the number of mathematics book is 336. Assuming that the books are of same thickness, determine the number of stacks of English, Hindi and mathematics books. Here we want to find the number of stacks of English, Hindi and mathematics books. Okay, the number of English books is equal to the number of English books is equal to 96 and the number of Hindi books is equal to 240 and the number of mathematics books that is equal to 336. Okay, these books are stacked in such a way that all the books are stored topic wise and the height of each stack is same. In order to arrange the books as required, we have to find the largest number that divides 96, 240 and 336 exactly. Understood? But in order to arrange the books as required, we have to find the largest number that divides 96, 240 and 336 exactly. That means we should find out their HCF. Okay, first we should find the HCF. Okay, after finding the HCF, we will get the number of books on each stack. Okay, so we want to find the number of books on each stack. We should find their HCF. Okay, let us see the HCF first. 96, first we have to factorize 96, prime factorization of 96, 248, 224, 212, 26, 23. Okay, then 2 raised to 5 into 3, then 240. Okay, then 240 to 120, 260, 230, 250, then 3, 5. So 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 5. The next 336. 336 is equal to 2, then 168, then 284, then 242, then 221, then 37. That is 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 7. Okay, then HCF is equal to 2 raised to 4. We should find the common factor, highest common factor, that is 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 4. Among these, we should write here 2 raised to 4. Then 3 into 3 into 3. From that, we should write here 3. Then 5 and 7 are not common in these 3 numbers. So, we should not write 5 and 7. So, HCF is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3. 2 raised to 4 means that is 16. 16 into 3 means that is 48. Okay. Then 48 is the HCF of these 3 numbers. So there must be 48 books on each stack. So the number of books on each stack, that is equal to 48. Therefore the number of books on each stack is equal to, therefore number of books in each stack is equal to 48. Here we want to find the number of stacks. Okay, number of stacks we should find here. So number of stacks of English. Number of stacks of English. Number of stacks of English books, that is equal to total number of English books, that is 96. 96 divided by 48, that is equal to 2. The next number of stacks of Hindi books, that is equal to 240 divided by 48. 240 divided by 48, that is equal to 5. The number of stacks of mathematics books. Number of stacks of mathematics books, that is equal to 336 divided by 48, that is equal to 7. Okay, therefore the number of stacks required for arranging English books, that is 2. For Hindi, that is 5. Mathematics books, that is 7. Okay, understood? Here first we should find out the number of books in each stack. For that purpose we should find highest common factor, that is HCF. So HCF of 96, 240 and 336, that is 48. Then the next step we should find the number of stacks. Total number of books divided by number of books in each stack. Then we will get 2, 5 and 7. Number of stacks of English books, that is equal to 2. Number of stacks of Hindi book is equal to 5. Then number of stacks of mathematics book is equal to 7. Understood? Okay guys, study this question clearly, and the remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Until then, bye bye.